Vijayan here to bring you up the highlights of the month of August 2024 along with my friends.
To encourage the learning and use of language skills, the Hindi and English essay writing competition were organized at Vidyapur International School, Shenwa. All the students actively participated in the competition with full enthusiasm. The competition was successfully and smoothly conducted with the cooperation and support of faculty members.
Poetry is the most beautiful expression of thoughts and emotions. Hindi and English poetry composition was held at Vidyapur International School, Shenwa, with the view to enhance the poetic skills of the budding authors for the students of grade 6 to 12. The students unleashed their creativity and imagination and composed beautiful pieces of poetry.
Poetry is simply the most beautiful, impressive and widely effective mode of saying things, said by Matthew Almond. An interclass poem recitation competition was organized at Vidyapur International School, Shenwa. Beauty is a realm of poetry. The students of various segments enthusiastically participated in this competition as they got opportunity to exhibit their talent and confidence. This competition inspired young poets to come forward and recite on stage.
Vidyapur International School embarked on the journey of celebrating 78 years of completion of independence in our country by participating in various activities and competitions. They decided forward to celebrate the completion of 78 years of independence. Despite the inclement weather, the school looked festive with wonderful rangoli in tricolors, festoon and fragrance of fresh flower everywhere.
The cultural extravaganza started with the patriotic song and was followed by a series of mesmerizing dances, soulful patriotic songs, speeches by students and melodious instrumental music, arousing patriotic feeling and all. This was a joyful and thrilling experience for both the performers and the audience.
Rakhi card making competition was held at Vidyapur International School for the primary classes. The little ones enthusiastically participated and channeling their creativity onto paper. They created beautiful Rakhi and Rakhi card by sticking decorative items, vibrant colors and wishes their brothers with writing beautiful heartfelt wishes.
In a gripping battle of intellect, Vidyapur International School, Shenwa organized Hindi debate competition for the students of grade 6 to 12. The competition served as a platform for the students to build their confidence and public speaking skills with their fair opinion.
Christian Janmashtami celebrated the birth of Lord Krishna. Janmashtami festival was celebrated with great zeal and pomp by the students of Vidyapur International School, Shenwa. Dance, drama, enactment on life of Lord Krishna, devotional singing, and breaking of earthen pot containing curd, famously known as the Yandi, were part of celebration. Junior students dressed up like Radha, Krishna, and Gopikas and other colorful outfits.
Vidyapur International School, Shenwa had organized PVM on 3rd August 2024. The event witnessed a good percentage of attendance, thus displaying enthusiastic interest among parents for the smooth working and progress of the school. The main objective of the event was to create a common platform between teachers and parents where they discuss about their child's performance and devise ways to enrich their learning experiences. The teacher briefed the parents about their watch performance during the first term. Together they identified the areas of strengths and weaknesses of the child and boost out ways to.
Green, the color of life, renewable nature and energy, is associated with the meanings of growth, harmony, freshness, safety, fertility and environment. Vidyapur International School pre-primary kids and teachers came in beautiful shades of green attire. These cute little ones help us in decorating the environment with green. All kids have something to say or show about the green.
India celebrates National Sports Day on 29 August, the birth anniversary of hockey hero Major Dhyan Chand. In India and international hockey, Major Dhyan Chand was legend. He played key role in India's achievement of their first Olympic hat trick, winning gold at the Summer Olympic in 1928, 1932 and 1936. To give a great tribute to Major Dhyan Chand, Vidyapur International School Shenwa organized football match competition. The students have shown their extreme talent towards the match.
For good idea and true innovation, you need human interaction, conflict, argument, debate said by Margaret Heffernan. An interclass English debate competition was organized for the students of grade 6 to 12. The topic for the same was formal education versus homeschool. The students were given opportunity to express their points.
Vidyapur International School attained second position in the speedo typing competition held by Nimar Sanadya School Complex at Jaipuria School, Barwani. Congrats to Vasu Gupta for his efforts.
So that's all for this month. Stay tuned for the next updates. You can log in at VIS News channel. Till then, goodbye and have a wonderful day.